Hi everyone, it's Sally from the Friendly Food Club, and today we're going to be making pancakes. Yay, great. We're going to make sweet pancakes filled with lots of lovely different kinds of fruit and different concoctions. So get your hands washed if you haven't already, and let's get cooking. First of all, you need to put your flour into a big mixing bowl, and you want to try and sieve the flour to get as much air in the flour as possible. So we're going to put 60 grams of plain flour into a bowl through a sieve, and then we're going to make a little hole in the middle of the flour in the bowl, and we're going to crack an egg in there, and then take a whisk. If you haven't got a whisk, you can use a fork, and just mix it all up together till it's sort of like a paste. Then we're going to add 100 millilitres of whole milk and 40 millilitres of water. You want to mix that together. And we're going to gradually add that, not all at once, very gradually add that into the flour mix and make it smooth and make it into a batter. And you don't want any lumps in there, so you want to do it very, very gradually. So before we start cooking, just put 1 tablespoon of melted butter and whisk that into your batter mixture, and then we'll start cooking. You need to use a small frying pan, and you want a high heat, and you also need to start by putting a little bit of butter, not too much because you don't want your pancakes to fry, a little bit of butter into your pan. If you swirl it around, if there's an awful lot of butter, just tip the other amount away, and then put 2 tablespoons of your batter mixture into your frying pan. Swirl it around a little bit so it goes all the way around to the edges, and cook it for maybe a minute and a half, and then flip it onto the other side and cook it again for another minute. So keep cooking your pancakes until you've got, well, the mixture should make about 6 pancakes. You can layer a little bit of baking paper between your pancakes on your plate and cover it with a warm tea towel to keep them warm. Once you've got them all done, you just need to decide what you'd like to put in them and what toppings you'd like. Right, so you can choose whatever you like to have with your sweet pancake as the filling. I really like the traditional lemon juice and caster sugar. Just a little bit of sugar, sprinkle it on your pancake, squeeze on some lemon juice, roll it up and eat it. Delicious, my favourite. You could also do maybe mashed banana with a little bit of cinnamon or a little bit of grated chocolate, that'd be nice. Or some soft fruits, some raspberries or blueberries or strawberries, with a little bit of Greek yogurt or a little bit of honey drizzled on the top, or maybe a little bit of golden syrup drizzled on the top. So lots of different things, but make it your own. We'd love to see what fillings you want to do yourself. So here are lovely pancakes, guys. I've got banana and chocolate filling, and I've got some soft fruits and yogurt and just the traditional lemon and sugar. You can do whatever you like in your pancake. Please share your pancake creations with us on our Facebook page, and happy cooking!